Stress. It's an epidemic that has been plaguing our 21st century world for absolutely years. I mean, just the mention of the word stress can often get people's attention pretty quickly, can't it? And this is because stress is something that has affected all of us at some point in the past, or it is affecting us in life some way today. You see, stress can and will affect us at home. It can affect us in the workplace, it will affect us when we don't know how to get the things that we really want to get, and it also stems from the unrealistic or the unfair demands that other people will place on us, i.e. bosses, our managers, superiors, or even family members. I mean, what I'm saying here is that we're all capable of experiencing stress in some way or another. And none of us are free from this. You see, stress is one of these things which cuts across absolutely every economic, social and cultural boundary that we could ever come across or experience in life. So learning how to understand what stress is and also how to manage it more efficiently is going to be absolutely crucial if we want to start moving forward more effectively and also make a greater degree of progress throughout the most important areas of our lives. I mean, say for example, you were to put a little bit too much pressure on a balloon. Well, what's going to happen to it? It's going to pop, isn't it? And in exactly the same way, when we put too much pressure on either ourselves or other people, well, unfortunately, we stand at risk of potentially popping too. You see, if we don't learn how to manage stress well, we can end up with a full range of other problems, physically, mentally, and even emotionally. And when this happens, we are not going to be able to live out our lives at our absolute best. And if you're anything like me, well, this is not going to be okay for you. So throughout this section and the sections that follow, my intention is to help you expand your understanding of stress, what stress is, where it comes from, what we can do about it, and how we can start living our lives in a way where the pressures and stressors of everyday life no longer affect us in the ways that they perhaps once did. Because believe it or not, even though I'm standing here teaching you this course right now, I am not 100% completely free from stress. In fact, I actually experience it most days. However, I do know how to read it, I do know how to manage it, and I do know how to get out of it just as quickly as what I initially entered into it. And this is what I want to teach you. Because the good news is that, stress is something that you can begin learning about and mastering right here today. And by the end of this course, you're going to be able to recognize and read the initial warning signs of absolutely any form of stress. Because once you're able to do this, you can start taking the necessary steps to not just reduce stress in the context of your own life, but you can actually overcome it permanently and even help others to begin working their way through the exact same process. Because I have absolutely no intention on boring you with a load of useless information that you could have read in a self-help book somewhere else, but I do fully intend to share with you absolutely all of the most crucial life lessons, the principles, the strategies that I've learned throughout my life to date, which, if you're willing to apply in the context of your own life, well, this is also going to allow and enable you to de-stress your life, to stress-proof your future, and also begin living your life today with far more inner peace, which from experience is something that I know we all secretly want. So, my name's Kane Ramsey, and thank you very much for enrolling on this course and also for placing your trust in me as your stress coach. I guarantee you right now that I'm going to do my very best to teach you absolutely everything that I've learned over the years about minimalising and managing the common stressors throughout every single area of life. Now, this course isn't going to be perfect. It's not going to be complete, because nothing ever is. And I'm an imperfect man, flawed in every way, who's just been down this stress hole before, but who's also learned some very interesting life lessons and principles along the way. Some of which you're going to find slightly challenging, and some of them you might even completely disagree with, which doesn't have to be a bad thing, because the only way that we ever grow in life is when we're faced with some new information that contradicts our current way of thinking. So I really hope that you're going to endure and stay with me to the bitter end. And I would just like to encourage you at this stage to get involved in any discussions that are going on, or even initiate a new one. And if you'd be happy to also take a few minutes and write a few words, introduce yourself in the discussion section, it would be great to hear from you, where you're from, and also the main reason why you've enrolled in the course in the first place. But other than this, I'm going to look forward to hearing from you soon, and also seeing you in the next video.